When we were ready to release the Great Indian Diet, I couldn't think of a greater personality to do it justice than Amit ji. And he's had a great influence in my life, not just professionally, but also personally. He just adds that touch of magic. I wait for him to call me every birthday, and he unfailingly remembers. And I really have started to believe that every time he calls me, he kind of he kind of gives me some luck. So this day would have been incomplete without his support, and he very kindly said yes. And my heart fills with gratitude. I don't know how to thank you. So thank you so much, Amitji, for being here. I don't know what to ask you. I just think you've been a great source of inspiration for generations and generations. And like Anilji very rightly said, we all look up to you, and we just continue to learn. And through all your trials and tribulations of, your health issues or whatever, you've always, come out stronger and raring to go. How do you do it? Because your life is, it's so erratic, the timings are so erratic, and you are still so busy. Your calendar is chock-a-block with appointments, and I know that for a fact because I've been in touch with Rosie. And I don't know how you do it, because at my age, I am tired sometimes. But I know you are somebody who really lives by the Great Indian Diet. You love your Indian food. You love your dal, bindi, chawal, because I've seen you on those shows. So even when he's abroad, he loves Indian food. And he too, like all of us, doesn't believe in diets. So I want to hear it from you. What do you do? What is your mantra? Because we all want to know, and you have to share it with us now. We want to know what the secret is.